Hello editors, welcome back to another tutorial. Today in this video I will teach you how to make microwave edit on Capcut. So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know